Dagan kay pasalamat kay Atty. Carlo. He was so open-minded to listen to our project and he supported kay nito umagod siya sa among program. Kay daghan jud mi natabangan ato mga estudyante na aming 100 scholars. So dagan kay pasalamat kay Atty. Carlo. I really like to thank you personally for helping me at the time. Nari-eyed ako kasi that was the best program and parang sabihin ko na legacy na nagawa ko for myself, for students who were there with us. Thank you, Atty. Carlo. You're one of the best. I hope daghan ang makamatabangan na yung gusto na mag-eskwela, maligkamot, kasi maramihan yun mga scholars ng Oakland Kaal. Kung pala rin sa Atty. Carlo, sana bigyan ng pansin yung scholarship program for education talaga. Because we need more top caliber students.